Matt, you've had the Edger now for a month or two. What types of places have you been working?
Primarily done commercial landscaping with it, commercial jobs. We did a high school on our first job with it, and then a little bit of residential, but primarily commercial with a lot of curb lines.
And what's your most recent experience with the time you've been saving?
Well, like I was telling Glenn, we had a stretch over here. It's about 400 feet, and I think they had like maybe at the most 6 minutes on the machine. They did it Saturday while they were grading that out, getting it ready for sod. That's done. 6 minutes. Done.
And what would be a normal time for 400 feet?
Well, 2 guys, 2 shovels. Depends on how good they are at running a shovel, but you can't keep up with it. You honestly, you can't keep up with it. And I would tell you this: when you buy one, it's the last one you're ever gonna have to buy, because you don't use it that much. But when you use it, the cost savings is just phenomenal. If you've got any kind of linear foot to run, it'll handle it.
Do you feel that it's built strong enough to take the abuse?
Oh, without a doubt. We run ours, as you can see, on these ditch witches, and we haven't put it on a skid loader, but yeah, we'll never tear it out for what we're doing.